We're back working on this device to color clips automatically in Ableton Live based on genre or user-defined preference. I've just gone through and mapped or given the correct argument to each one of these 70 instances, because we've got 70 colors contained in this col, and we've created a system where each one of these B patches has an abstraction which comes out here and sets a receive object, so we can very quickly update all the colors with this col. One thing I just kind of realized was I've started with color 1 here, but the problem is we're outputting 0 as the first value, so we probably should add a -0 before this number box here for consistency, because 0 is considered 1. And oh wait, is it? No, it needs to be +1. +1. Because we're not starting with color 0, we're starting with color 1 and we're finishing at color 70. So now this is all good. I'm quite excited to go ahead and hit this Uzi to see if it updates all the colors correctly. It's moments like these that life is good. Okay, you ready? Hey! Okay, I noticed that we've got a duplicate color here. So what I can do is get rid of this +1, just make it a +0, and see if this color changes. Set 0. This color has not changed, which is a little bit strange. It doesn't need to be -1, does it? Set 0. Bang. Oops, set 0. Are these the same color? Man, I can't tell if these are the same color or not. Are these two the same? Those two are the same. Oh, these. Okay, so I've done something wrong here. It's okay. We'll figure this out. What is the first color on the list here? It's like this. Mauvey. What? Mauve. I don't even know. Peach? So it seems like the list of my colors are not in order. What if I go +2? Set 0. Bang. That looks good to me. They all look like different colors. And we're up to 69 in the col. Can we even go one more? No, I think that's what we need right there. Set 0, bang. Set 0, bang. Fantastic. So now we have all the clip colors. And it seems like the system where we changed the text color is working as well. The only one that stands out as not being terribly obvious is this lime green, which is a pretty horrible color. But I'm not really going to worry too much about that. So now the interesting task of, well, let me just tidy this up first. Get all this nice and clean. Don't need that. Definitely need that. Definitely need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Okay. So the next step for me is I want to make all these colors grouped together in a certain way. And I'm going to have to think about that for a second. Just what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start dragging these around. I'm going to save this first. For color move. So I'm just kind of trying to find colors that, wait, these are the same. these two are the same as these two. That's no good. I think something's wrong here, eh? +0. So this bang needs to go here. Yeah, that looks more like it, eh? I can't see any duplicates there. And look, we're starting with that initial color as well. So we are actually cycling through all of the colors. Yeah, okay, so back to what I was saying. You know, some of the colors are in a nice order, but I kind of want all the hues to go together. I think I want to have like reds in one corner, greens in the other. I need to think about this for a sec. I'm going to stop the video and then come back when I've got a bit more of a system in place. Okay, you know what? I really don't know how I want to have this laid out, so I'm just going to start dragging 3 different primary color groups for a start and seeing what happens. I've kind of got this idea that they blend into each other over time, so you can kind of have, you know, if I have a house track, but I also have a techno track, but they're both charging, and so the house track is yellow or red, and then the other one is blue, but then combined that color is just, I don't know. I don't know, guys. So let's just roll with it here. I'll use CMY, cyan, magenta, yellow. So let's just start putting everything that's obviously yellow in one area, and then they kind of get a bit darker. We'll put the darker ones on the outside, like so. And these ones are quite light. Okay, and then let's do blues. So we'll start with the darkest blue I can find. And just a reminder that these colors are fixed. We can't actually do much with these. We can't change them from what they are. This is what Ableton Live has set us as default clip colors, which is a little bit inconvenient for what we're trying to do. But I can kind of see their reasoning. Okay, and we need the more cyan or reds. So let's go over here. See, these will start merging into the yellows. Not sure about that one. So once we've kind of got everything into its rough corner, then we've kind of got the whites and the blacks. I'll put them aside. And the greys. Have any more? No. So we're getting... This is quite fun, actually. It's quite satisfying. So you can see we kind of merge into the reds here. It's more of these guys. We'll do that shortly. So that's another blue. It's another blue. It's kind of there. Here. The greens. I think... Wait, what is yellow and blue? I'm terrible at this. Terrible at this. So what does blue and yellow make? It's green, right? It has to be green. Blue and yellow make. Why yellow and blue don't make green? What? What color do you get when you mix blue and yellow? Come on. Green. Yeah. Nailed it. I don't know why I've always had a real struggle to like mentally picture what different colors do what. So we've kind of got our greens. Okay, we might as well just confirm this. What color does blue and red make? Purple, right? Magenta. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is kind of more yellow, more blues. This is down here. We've kind of got our oranges. Not sure what we're going to do about these. So I'm going to start putting the more magenta-y things down here. Then this probably up here. There's no like extreme reds. I guess that's the most extreme one. This is these two here, and this kind of fades like this. This definitely needs to be more. Is that more here or here? It's that more here, I think. Let's just give ourselves small screen real estate here. So I hope you can kind of understand what I'm trying to achieve here. It's a really strange concept for me to explain this, but I just want to make sure that, well, all the colors are nicely grouped for a start. So this is kind of where the blues fade into the greens. This is the most extreme green. I don't know if we should go lighter at the outside or on the inside. Probably on the inside. And then this is kind of getting into the yellow territory. We've got this one here as well, and this one here. Don't know what this is doing up here. This is the most extreme yellow. And this is definitely fading more towards the reds. So we're starting to get a pattern. So this is the most obvious magenta. I've got really bad allergies at the moment. I'm going to sneeze. Hold tight. Turn the mic off. Oh, intense. Okay. These are quite bland here. Yeah, let's look more like it. I'll tell you what. I'm going to do this off camera because this is going to take me a while. Yeah, okay, I'll be back. So after tinkering around, this is what I've got for now. Anyway, I figured that 5 categories or 6 categories, like main categories, which is the groups of individual colors, is sufficient. And then if we have 5 for each of those, that should be plenty, and probably keep all these in as little extras down and maybe like a second menu or something. But this will do for now. This will probably change. I've still got this idea of more of a non-linear way of presenting these, but it might be beyond my capabilities of visual design wise stuff, because I'm not too sure how to go about it. Perhaps you can leave a comment and let me know. Anyway, I'm going to come back to that at another stage, because I do want to kind of move on now and actually get these changing clip colors, and I'll be covering this in the next video.